Welcome back. Here we are once again in beautiful downtown Phoenix, Arizona. And we are pretty much central Phoenix. And that right there is South Mountain. This is 10th Street. And about a few blocks away is McDowell. And this is 2533 North 10th Street. And we are doing a sanding and refinishing restoration project on this beautiful Wednesday, June 24th, 2020. And you can see these are the native cactuses. Very nice and sharp. Nice little thorns. Oh, let's go ahead and focus. Yeah, they grow pretty big and they're pretty dangerous. Let's go focus on our wood floors. I will not be able to speak much once we're inside. The machines are very loud. And as you can see, where the washer and dry was, it has a little unevenness, but we'll take care of that. Nice arches. Nice arches. And this is the front bedroom. As you can see, it's a little bit worn out. Not too bad. It does have some knots in it. Maybe a common number 3. It's a mix between red oak and white oak. So if you're looking for a wood floor company here in Phoenix, Arizona, give us a call today at 602-446-2613. And it is Royal Wood Flooring, www.royalwoodflooring.com. And today is just an amazing day outside. It's about 95 degrees, so not too bad. Once it gets to 110, it's brutal. I mean, 110,000 degrees, it's brutal. Maybe 115, can't really be outdoors. Let's go take a look at the rest of the house. We'll do a video after. And there it is. And even the shower has a cold feeling. So my guess is that, hey everybody, my guess is that the sink was originally there. It's just a guess. And then they put it over here. Hey everybody. All right, let me put it like that. That's professional, right there, at its finest. So the reason I say that, because if the sink was there, you got the mirror, and that's already built in. See, this is not an add-on. This one is an add-on. So. Look at that. That's what I'm guessing, that sink was there at one time. It doesn't matter. So we'll be sanding or finishing this floor. Getting out those rough edges, those rough spots. And the back bedroom. And it has a door that goes outside for some reason. Let's go ahead and take a look at this floor. There you go. See, it has normal wear and tear. Little hole there. I'm going to fill it in wood filler. Let's sand or finish this bedroom, the front bedroom, the hallway, the bathroom, living room, and kitchen. And we'll do a follow-up after when it's all said and done. And this is the beautiful machine that does it all. It is a Hummel. It's a Hummel. This is a lever that goes down for the drum, up the drum. You can see it's a beautiful, beautiful machine. One of the best ever made of them. We love them here at Royal Wood Flooring. It's the only machine we've been using for the last 20 years. You can see it does have a little wear and tear, but don't let that fool you. Can't stop it. It's like a train or a Mack truck. It just goes on and on. And this is it. This beautiful home. Nice fireplace. And it does have cove ceilings. They're arched ceilings. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll do a follow-up in a few days when we'll be completing sanding, refinishing, and trowel wood floor filling this floor. Thank you for joining us.